Good afternoon from Scott, and I hope my dog's back here in the background. Let me talk. They're barking at the weeds or air or something. So anyway, as you know, I don't edit videos, so if they start trash talking over there and interrupting me, we're going to have to just keep going. All right, this is a continuation. I did a video just a few minutes ago on avoiding the dealers for problems or issues. Now, just to kind of quickly repeat what I said on that video a while ago in case you missed it, my wife takes this car in to the Toyota dealership because in the contract, she gets oil changes for life. And if you read the fine print, it was actually paid for, so they're really not free. So keep that in the back of your mind. Next time someone offers you free oil changes for life, there's some small print to it. All right, with that being said, very quickly here, they came back out. The service advisor said, hey, you need some tires, all right? Toyota multi-point inspection, and all of the time, can you see this? All of these tires are in the yellow, near the danger zone. Well, I'm gonna try and move the camera here just quickly here. These are brand new tires. At the time of this, they were 6 days old. They're brand new. I'm gonna do my best without, here we go, trying to do this here. Let's see. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Brand new tires, probably have a few hundred miles on them. Okay, hopefully I can get the camera back where it needs to be. I don't have time to do all this editing stuff. All right, I wasn't there, my wife was. She didn't fall for it, didn't bite that. So let's get straight on back to it here. Let's quickly go through this list here. This goes into several $1,000s worth of repairs, or close to it, all right? Let's see here. Check engine coolant level, they did that. They came up and said that we needed to, I'm gonna just skip all these dollar amounts are crazy. Let's just get down to what it says here. Okay, here we go. It says here that we need to have a water pump. The water pump on this car was put in, I'm gonna guess, a couple of years ago. So when my wife called me, I thought, man, they shouldn't be going out at this point. I've checked the water pump, it's not making any noise. There's not a drop of water coming out. I've got, you can't tell from the camera angle, I've got a piece of cardboard on it. It's been under there the last 2 or 3 days, cranking the car up, running the car. The water pump is not making any noise, and there's no leaks, all right? You're looking at a very big repair bill just for the, oh, and they said that we need this induction service. That's $173. Oh, and it says we need to replace our spark plugs. I replaced the spark plugs probably 7 or 8 months ago. It takes me around on this car here. I just simply take this cover off here, and I've got a, I forget the size of the wrench, pull the coil pack off. I can replace the spark plugs probably in about 15 minutes. The charge for that, and it doesn't really say if this includes the parts or not, $168.36 for a 15-minute job that I can do, and I'm not even a mechanic. It also says that we need injector service, all right? That's $147.83. I've got, right parked, you can't see it, is my 1996 Camry. It's never had an injector service done on it. It's a scam. All this induction, injector service, man, they do all this stuff here supposedly. Don't waste your money on that. Now, it did recommend that we change the drive belts and the hoses. And I can understand that. That's going to be part of the routine maintenance. That's going to be up to you. You know, if your car's got a lot of miles, you need to change those belts and hoses, all right? Oh, here it is right here. Replace the water pump. And here again, it doesn't say, and maybe this includes the price, $728.16. I'm going to tell you this, if you go on YouTube and look how to change out a water pump on a 2014 Toyota Corolla, there's 4 bolts. All you do is take the main serpentine belt off, redo the seal on it. I can do that job from what I gather, and I know I can do some things. I don't do everything. I can probably do that job in about an hour, hour and a half, tops. $728.16, don't fall for that. Oh, replace the brake drums on the rear. Now, I have not looked at them, and I guarantee you they did not pull the rear tires off of this car. I'd be very surprised if they did. That would be just replace the rear brake drums. That'd be $118.75. Rear drape. Oh, now here's something I don't understand. This rear drum / brake job, $588.49. So you're looking at $588, $688, $700 just for rear brakes. I don't think so. Hoss, that ain't happening. Okay. Replace thermostat and gasket, $375.31. It's all right here, folks. It's a scam. Don't do it. Go to your local mechanic, all right? Oh, TPMS concern. They have a concern on that. Not sure why. That's going to be these little things in your tires that, you know, give you an alert if you've got, say, a low pressure warning. Check this out. $785.55. Folks, you can't make this up. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. There they are. What the hell? Now, and that's just some of it. It goes on. Now, folks, now listen to me. We're letting our mothers go into these places. Many of them are falling for it. Maybe they're not telling you. Our elderlies are probably more apt to fall for this stuff, say, than you and I. If I would have been in there, I hate to say it, but with this hat on and with some knowledge, I highly doubt if they'd have brought this stuff to us, because I would have immediately said, show me. And we have brand new tires, 6 days old, and I'll show it to you right here. And we're in the danger zone. We're in the yellow. Need tires. Folks, watch these people. I don't know how they sleep at night. I'm not going to say that all dealerships are guilty of this. I'm going to say a lot of them are. Now, it's obvious we're Toyota fans. I drive a Dodge truck. Toyota for me has been a very dependable vehicle. But you've got to watch the service department. They're commission-driven people. And I can say this now, I'll end it here. I can say they've stooped to a new low. And when I say they, I mean all the dealerships. This is not a new low. This has been going on for years. This is nothing new. They're just upping the game to get more dollars of flow into the dealerships. Get your second opinion, folks. You'll save yourself some money. I guarantee it. This is Scott. If you've liked what you've seen, hit that like button, hit the notification, or even subscribe. I'm trying to get as much information as I can out there to save you the headaches that I've went through. Thank you again.